Good day everyone, I'm Chris Licataro Santos from BSBA HR3F. First, let's talk about the Spanish colonization in the Philippines. The Spanish colonization of the Philippines, lasting from 16th to the 19th century, was marked by systematic exploitation of Filipinos' labor and human rights violations. The Spanish colonization is using the method of exploitation of human rights violation, the system of encomienda. What is the encomienda system? This was made a key tool of Spanish control. Encomendadors, Spanish colonists, were granted control over specific regions of the indigenous people living there. They were obligated to protect and convert the natives to Christianity. But in reality, they often forced Filipinos into forced labor on plantation, mines, and public workers projects. They also attracted tribute in the form of goods and money. This system was essentially a form of feudal slavery. Then, let's talk about the type of abuses that Filipino experienced during the Spanish colonial. First is a slavery. Second is a forced labor in the Manila galleons. Next is a forced conversion to Christianity. And the fourth is restriction on indigenous culture and practices. Now, let's proceed the Filipino resistance. Despite the harsh realities of Spanish rules, Filipino community resisted these practices in various ways. Like first is a revolt and uprising. Second is a guerrilla warfare. And the third is the Philippine Revolution in 1896 to 1898. This was the most significant resistance movements against Spanish rules, led by the Katipunan, a secret society founded by Andres Bonifacio. The revolutionaries fought for independence through armed conflict. And the lastly is the propaganda movement. This was a peaceful movement that sought to reform the Spanish colonial government through literature and other forms of media. The movement, led by intellectuals like Rizal and Marcelo H. del Pilar, exposed the abuses of the Spanish government and advocates for equal rights of Filipino.